Hi Nengun customers, sorry for the lack of videos recently, but as you may be able to tell, I've got a bit of a cold and you wouldn't have wanted to hear my voice at that time, but going to try and make up for it now. So today we've got the Keys Racing shift knob and steering wheel. This is the all black suede shift knob and the 325 flat suede steering wheel. Just zoom in here for you. So we actually had a Keys Racing wheel very similar to this in the R32 Race Car. Fantastic wheels, look incredible. You can see the Keys Racing logo is stitched right in. White and blue stitching. I've just placed the center cap in there, so if it doesn't look quite centered, it's because it's not. And the shift knob, matching shift knob, same high quality. Comes with the collars, the mounting screws, Allen key. So, place your orders today at www.nengun.com. Thanks for watching.